misses. That's unacceptable to me. About $50 billion by so-called, anyway, I won't go into it, but a bill that's caused a little attention. And we're going to pay them. I mean, the idea, these folks are running into, anyway. Oh my God, there's no water? Come on, man. The National Oceanic.
That's easy for you to say.
Is going to build resilience. This year, we're going to provide retention incentives that's going to ensure federal wildland fires. Come on, man. This will include launching a new app from EPA, and last well beyond traditional months.
What the hell is the world coming to?